last class we were discussing on change of state, and we'll go a little bit fast because I have to explain you something not in your syllabus but very important. Change of state. So when we think about change of state can be brought by, number one is change in temperature, and change of state can also be brought by change in pressure. Okay, change in pressure. I hope you understand pressure का मतलब क्या है. किसी चीज को जब आप फोर्स से दबाते हैं, so you feel a pressure. Change in pressure. इन दोनों वेज से we can change state. And what do we mean by change of state? Change of state का हमारा simple diagram रहता है solid changes to what? Liquid, and liquid changes to gas. And you can have solid directly changing to gas, and gas also changing back to solid. This process is known as sublimation, and this process is known as also sublimation. In some books they will write it as deposition. Examples of sublimation you can write down. Examples of sublimation are dry ice, right? The ice that you see in fish markets. So if you have dry ice, sublimation is a process where solid changes to gas directly bypassing liquid stage. So examples are dry ice. Dry ice is beta solid and it can change directly to CO2, which is a gas. CO2 means carbon dioxide. What is dry ice? Dry ice is carbon dioxide which has been solidified. We will learn about it when we learn in change in pressure. Okay? All the ice that you see in fish markets and all, or anywhere, ice cream parlors and all, they're all dry ice. Don't eat it. Many people feed this, but that's not good. Okay, you can also take the example of camphor. Okay, camphor also changes from solid to gas directly. You can take the example of naphthalene balls. Naphthalene, they also change from solid to gas. And one of our very easy example is like the Odonil refreshers that we use in our washrooms. They are also undergoing sublimation. Okay, these are all examples of sublimation. We will see the impact of change in temperature. So when solid changes to liquid, this process is known as melting. Children, stop me, anything that you don't understand. Liquid changing to gas, the process is known as vaporization. Okay, and the reverse processes I am writing in green color. Liquid changing to solid is known as freezing. Okay, and gas changing to this is known as condensation. Okay, condensation is solid changing to. Are we fine with this? Okay. Now let's look at solid changing to liquid. Solid changes to liquid. Now when solid changes to liquid, this process is known as melting, and the reverse process is known as freezing. Right? Are you familiar with the word fusion music? What do you mean by fusion music? Two types of music, right? We can have Western and Carnatic music mixed together. That's called fusion. That's why here also we use the word fusion. The two process together, they are like fusion. It's a fusion process. Fusion can refer from solid to liquid or from liquid to gas. If you want to be too precise, melting. Have we understood? Okay. Now when you change from solid to liquid, then we always need heat. Heat has to be supplied in this process. And when you freeze, heat is supplied. Get your mind map absolutely correct. And here heat is withdrawn. Bhavya, write little bit bigger and more darker. Okay. Now I can see from here. अच्छा नहीं, दूसरे दिन लिखते थे ना, जैसे पेज को बेटा दर्द नहीं होता है, पेज नॉन लिविंग थिंग है, उस पर आप दबा के लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. So इसमें हीट विड्रॉ होता है. ठीक है. And did we not hear that temperature is a measure of the heat? So whenever you are actually supplying heat, that means the temperature has to go up, right? To understand this process, there is something called the heating curve. It was earlier a part of your chapter, now taken away, but we will learn the heating curve. इसको सीखेंगे तो सब clear हो जाएगा. Our next job is to learn heating curve. Is this understood? I'm just trying to explain you what is happening from solid to liquid. and we will also understand the process of liquid to gas in heating curve itself. Are we ready? Heating curve समझने के लिए? Okay. Heating curve's opposite is known as cooling curve. We're going to learn about heating curve. आइए. So the heating curve is actually a graph plot between temperature and time. We are trying to plot temperature and time. So let's plot that. Wait, let me draw it a little bit this side so that everyone can see, and I'll write on the other side. So all right, and this is my temperature axis. So this axis shows my temperature, and this axis is showing my time and temperature. Time, temperature. Now what we are studying the heating curve. Write in your, what do you call this, heading as heating curve. Okay, and I'm plotting some temperatures out here. This is my 0 degrees Celsius, right? I've plotted something at, say, 100 degrees Celsius. So we are going to study the heating curve using water. So this is 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degree means ice point, and 100 degrees Celsius means steam point of water. Understood? And this is time. So our study begins with some ice cubes. So let's take some ice cubes. Blue color ice cubes. So we have some ice cubes kept out here. Okay. These are my ice cubes. If you are ready, shall we start? Okay. पहले चीज को समझिए, सब क्लियर हो जाएगा. You are trying to heat this ice cubes, right? Ice is in the form of solid. You are interested to see the change of this ice from solid to liquid to gas. Obviously, now try to understand the graphs. In 9th children, we will be dealing with a lot of graphs, chemistry, physics. So what is this graph showing? On this axis, I have got temperature. Definitely a heating process means temperature will go up, and there will be time also which will be passing by. Understood? So first what we do, we start heating the ice. So what happens? The temperature of the ice starts climbing, and then starts to reach 0 degrees Celsius. Have you understood? So we'll write the process. Let's say this is O and this is A. Okay. So what is my OA? During the process OA, what I am doing, I am heating. And I'll also write what is the state. The state is solid, 100% solid, right? And I will also observe that temperature rises. Any child has any doubt here, just let me know. 0 to A or OA. During the process OA, my temperature is rising and I have come to some time. कुछ तो time गया है. And if you want to plot the time also, we can plot the time, not an issue. So right now, this is A. Now further, at A first instance of melting is observed, right? 0 to A is heating, and when I write solid 100%, this is till A. Children, be very careful. The temperature here is 0 degrees centigrade, and okay, I'll not write the temperature because this is typically for water. So at A, the first instance of melting is observed. इसका meaning आप समझे हो? इसका meaning है that at A, you will see first liquid observed. Have you understood? Just there might be one liquid drop आपको दिख जाएगा. कहां पे दिख जाएगा? A पे. But it does not mean that the entire ice has melted. आपको पहला liquid दिख जाएगा. Dipti, is it clear now? We are heating from, this is O, this is not 0. You are at minus temperature because the ice is all solid. You are starting to heat the ice, and once you reach the temperature of 0 degree, which is marked by the point A, what do you observe? You observe that the first liquid drop will be seen. Have you understood? But before A, everything will be solid and heat is being supplied, temperature will rise. ये दोनों बहुत important है. You are doing heating and the temperature is also rising. Are we fine? After that, the strange part of the graph happens. What is the strange part of the graph? We will observe that from A to B, the temperature will not rise at all, but heating is taking place. So we reach a point, what beta? We reach a point B, right? Now let's come to AB. AB. During the process AB, heating is still on. Heat नहीं करोगे तो होगा ही नहीं. And we will observe solid as well as liquid. Some ice will be slowly now changing over to liquid, yet some solid will still be seen. And this is till B. What about the temperature? The temperature now becomes constant. And since we are doing for ice, the temperature will become 0 degree. This is utmost important. The temperature. Look here, the temperature rises. Here, the temperature becomes constant. This is very, very important. Okay. Are we fine? This AB process will be better known as melting. Now, can we define melting? Melting is the process during which a solid completely changes itself to liquid and the temperature remains constant. This process is known as melting. What is happening here? Solid transforms to liquid, and this transformation is 100% and temperature remains constant. Now this is what we will study now. The temperature remains constant. So at B I will have 100% liquid now. Any bacha, any doubt? Just read it once again. At 0, everything is solid. First liquid chain, then solid, liquid, and at B everything is everything has become liquid. लेकिन जो इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है, जरा देखो, आप हीट सप्लाई कर रहे हो AB में, इट्स ए हीटिंग प्रोसेस, टेम्परेचर नहीं बढ़ता है, उसी को भी समझेंगे. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? सो यहाँ हमें स्टेट्स क्या क्या देखने को मिलेंगे बेटा? यह हमें सॉलिड भी दिखने को मिलेगा, लिक्विड भी मिलेगा, लेकिन B पहुंचते पहुंचते क्या हो जाएगा? 100% लिक्विड हो जाएगा. यहां हमें सब सॉलिड दिखेगा, यहां हमें सॉलिड लिक्विड दोनों दिखेगा. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड why is melting a constant temperature process. Now please understand, during the process AB, was heat supplied? Yes, heat was supplied, है ना? समर्थ, यही तो तुम्हारा डाउट था उस दिन. हीट सप्लाई होता है, पर टेम्परेचर नहीं बढ़ता है, ऐसा क्यों? See, when you supply heat, then obviously what happens? The heat has two choices. It can perform two functions. The heat has two choices. One is it can either increase the kinetic energy. Now, do you remember what was the definition of temperature? The definition of temperature was, temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy. अगर kinetic energy बढ़ेगा तो ही temperature बढ़ेगा. समझ में आ रहा है? आपने जैसे ही हीट किया, आइस मॉलिक्यूल्स क्या कर रहा है अभी? काइनेटिक एनर्जी गेन कर सकता है। एग्रीड? Another thing is it can increase intermolecular or you can say interparticle space. दो काम कर सकता है. Please understand children. It's something like this. These are two molecules. When I'm heating, I can either increase their kinetic energy in which they will start vibrating now, duck, 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 or the heat can go and increase the space between them. Now let us understand what is the implication of both. अगर आपको state change करना है ना, state, what is the difference between solid and liquid? आपने पढ़ा था, solids में particles are closely packed, liquid में particles are far apart. आपकी दिलो तमन्ना है कि आप सॉलिड को लिक्विड में चेंज करें, यू चेंज इट टू लिक्विड. सो व्हाट शुड यू अटैक नाउ? यू शुड मेक द पार्टिकल्स मूव फार अपार्ट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इन दिस प्रोसेस? ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस AB, we have understood this fundamental, so we will write here that this is necessary for state change. अगर आपको state change करना है तो you should concentrate more on increasing the intermolecular space. And the interesting part here is that when you supply heat, this heat goes, rather than increasing the kinetic energy, this heat follows this path. It increases the intermolecular space. अब सुनिए, काइनेटिक एनर्जी नहीं बढ़ाता है, इसीलिए आपको टेम्परेचर में चेंज नहीं दिखता है. यू सी योर शॉर्ट नोट्स आई रिटन इन लास्ट क्लास, टेम्परेचर इज अ मेजर ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी. काइनेटिक एनर्जी बढ़ेगा तो टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? Now let's go back to this process 0A. In 0A or OA process, what was happening? Heat was increasing the kinetic energy because it was solid, 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 solid. We did not increase their space. We were just increasing their kinetic energy. Therefore, you saw what? Change in temperature. But when it reached here and you first saw liquid, now heat is going and increasing the intermolecular space. So for a common man, it appears, sir, heat was showing his effect here. Heat is being supplied here also, but here heat का प्रकोप नहीं दिख रहा है. तो हम पूछते हैं heat, where did you go? कहां गए तुम? तो लोग कहते हैं ये जो heat है ना, ये hidden हो गया. It's hidden. और ऐसे hidden heat को नाम दिया गया है latent heat. Latent heat. And this latent heat is observed in which process, beta? Melting. It will be observed during freezing also. Now you have to, now latent heat is observed in melting. जब हम reverse आएंगे, जिसको हम बोलते हैं cooling curve. This is the heating curve. There also latent heat will come. Since it comes in both process, we will call it latent heat of fusion. So we need to now define what is latent heat of fusion. सबसे पहले ये जान के रखिए, लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन इज मैंडेटरी. इसको नहीं दोगे, मैंडेटरी फॉर स्टेट चेंज. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? लेटेंट हीट जब तक आप नहीं देंगे, you have to spend that heat, but that heat will not show any rise in temperature. जब तक वो heat नहीं लेगा, वो state change करेगा ही नहीं. That's why we come back to our last week's example. What is this? At A, what do you have? At A, I have got ice at 0 degree. At B, what do I have? Water at 0 degree. Children, मजा लो यार, discuss it. At A, I have got ice at 0 degree. और B में क्या है मेरे पास? Water at 0 degree. दोनों का टेम्परेचर बराबर है. Now I have suffered a burn in my hand, right? So my hand is having lot of heat. To give me relief, what should you do? You should withdraw the heat. So bring something in my contact which can eat away the heat. Yes or no? When your mom makes a cup of Horlicks or Bournvita and it's very hot, you put it in a tumbler of water, that cup. The water is cold. So whatever heat is there in your Bournvita, the water starts taking that heat. Now my hand has got burnt. I have a choice to apply ice at 0 and water at 0. I should apply that substance which is having lot of appetite to take heat. अगर मैं वाटर लू ना, वाटर ऑलरेडी थोड़ा पेट भर के आया है. कौन सा पेट भरा? लेटेंट हीट से पेट भर चुका है वाटर का. अब वो आपको ठंडा देगा, उतना नहीं देगा. लेकिन आइस सुबह से भूखा है. आइस कैन एब्सॉर्ब latent heat from your injury itself and get convert into water. Still the temperature is what? 0 degree. उसके बाद once every ice has become, अच्छा, how many of you have ice packs at home? All of you must be having ice pack. You will always see when you get an injury or a burn, specifically burn, once the ice pack is solid, till then आपको ठंडक लगता है. एक बार जब ice pack ढीला हो जाता है ना, although we don't have water out there, we have got something different, जेल रहता है. ढीला हो जाने के बाद no more you are getting relief. Suppose you got a pain, like the other day I was frying something, I got 3 or 4 oil drop burns. So this is life. So when I was putting ice pack, I was getting lot of relief. And it's very hot now in Hyderabad, so the ice pack is changing its state from solid to liquid, whatever it is. After that I'm not getting any more comfort. Why? Because the ice pack is no more able to withdraw heat from my body. समझ में आया? इसीलिए हम कहते हैं that what gives you more comfort, ice at 0 degree gives me more comfort because ice still has capacity to absorb more heat, yet no increase in temperature. But had you brought water at 0 degree, it will absorb heat. सब तो water हो गया ना, curve climb करना शुरू कर देगा. So tell me children, is the process of melting understood? What is melting? Melting is a constant temperature process where a solid completely transforms it into liquid at a constant temperature. Now we should also define what is latent heat of fusion. The latent heat of fusion, सुनिए पहले, is the amount of heat required to melt 1 kg of a solid to liquid completely at constant temperature. हमेशा temperature constant होना है. तो लिखिए यहाँ पे, what is latent heat? Latent heat is the amount of heat required to melt 1 kg solid completely, that is 100%. You can write the word completely, I am writing in short, to liquid at constant temperature. And that constant temperature will be known as my melting point, as simple as that. So what is melting point? Melting point is the temperature at which a solid starts to melt into liquid, and it is a constant temperature where the entire solid slowly transforms itself into liquid. Is it clear now? Latent heat of fusion को इस process में हम कह सकते हैं latent heat of melting. We can also call it as latent heat of melting. While we come back, we will say latent heat of freezing. If you want to mention both. Now children, tell me, अगर हम पानी को ice बनाएंगे, you want to make water to ice, so water will come down to 0 degree. After that you have to what? Take away heat. What heat do you take away? Latent heat. लेटेंट हीट दोगे तो आगे का स्टेट बनेगा, निकालोगे तो रिवर्स प्रोसेस. बिना लेटेंट हीट के ट्रांजैक्शन के स्टेट चेंज नहीं हो सकता है. NCERT has just touched it in one line, but you should understand. So at B, what did we get children? All water. We now start heating again. Heat तो supply हो ही रहा है. So let's start heating again. Let's see what happens. So if you heat again from here, again the temperature rises, and where do we reach? We reach a point C now. We reach a point C. हम C में आ गए. अच्छा, इस पूरे प्रोसेस में स्टेट क्या रहेगा? Only liquid. But the liquid has started. एकदम गर्म है, पूरा गर्म है. नहीं, बॉइलिंग नहीं होगा, बॉइलिंग C पे जाके होगा. C पे जाके क्या हो जाएगा? So we write this process now as BC। इसमें क्या रहेगा, हीटिंग तो हमारा चलता ही रहेगा, वी विल कीप ऑन हीटिंग। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट व्हाट वी विल सी, द स्टेट इज ऑल लिक्विड, राइट। What about temperature? Obviously the graph is going up, so the temperature rises. And at C, the first gas formation will take place. First gas formation. So I will write it as till C. Till C you will get liquid. At C में आते ही क्या हो जाएगा, गैस हो जाएगा। क्या स्टेट चेंज हुआ? बिल्कुल चेंज हुआ। Why? Because from liquid we have transformed ourselves to gas. और आगे अगर हम चलेंगे, it will again become constant. Till where? Till a point D. बड़ा ही इजी ग्राफ है, बस समझना आना चाहिए D, ठीक है। तो यहां पे क्या हो जाएगा, यहां पे we will get liquid also and gas also. First gas, plug 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 plug, gas going on, और यहां आते आते क्या हो जाएगा, 100% गैस, है ना। इस प्रोसेस को अगर हम इस साइड में जा रहे हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू कॉल इट एज मेल्टिंग, राइट, एंड दिस प्रोसेस वी विल कॉल वेपोराइजेशन। हियर वी विल कॉल इट वेपोराइजेशन व्हेन वी आर गोइंग दिस वे। तो डी आते आते क्या हो गया, 100% गैस। उसके बाद अगर आप हीट करेंगे, then obviously everything is gas. So इसका in engineering this part is known as dry steam. Everything is dry out here. यहाँ पे और कोई water का कोई नामो निशान नहीं है। Why? Because you have expelled all liquid from here. It's dry steam. Now a question to you. D में क्या दिख रहा है बेटा? 100% gas. ये एंजॉय करो। D में 100% gas. मीन्स एवरीथिंग इज स्टीम, और यहां पे क्या है, ड्राई स्टीम। इंजुरी कौन ज्यादा करेगा, ड्राई स्टीम करेगा, क्योंकि ड्राई स्टीम और हीट खा चुका है। नाउ अगेन आवर सेम क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ वाटर एट C? 100 डिग्री। व्हाट इज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ स्टीम एट D? 100 डिग्री। विच विल कॉज यू मोर बर्न? D विल कॉज यू मोर बर्न, बिकॉज D तक आते आते वो स्टीम और हीट पी चुका है, टेम्परेचर नहीं बढ़ रहा है। So I'm writing with a different color now. The heat that we supply here is called LF, latent heat of fusion, and the heat that you supply here is called LV, latent heat of vaporization. Please understand, latent heat is mandatory for change of state. So sir, can you in 1 minute tell us a little bit about latent heat? Latent heat is the heat which is called hidden heat. Why is it called hidden heat? Because it is a heat which does not show any change in temperature. So the observer feels, अरे हीट तुम गए कहां, बिस्तर के नीचे छुप गए? बोले हाँ छुप गया। कर क्या रहे हो? सर, इंस्टेड ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग काइनेटिक एनर्जी, आई एम बिजी इंक्रीजिंग द particle space. Why are you increasing the particle space? Because sir, to change state, particle space has to be changed. Therefore sir, very sorry, today I could not increase Ke, and hence I am not showing any impact on rise in temperature. In which process did you behave like that? Sir, two processes. One was melting and one was vaporization. So that means in order for melting to take place, I need you. Yes sir, you need me. Without me, melting will not take place. And in vaporization also. This is called the heating curve. 11 you will study it again in heat. और इसका उल्टा करते हैं। उल्टा को क्या बोलेंगे? कूलिंग कर्व। तो जैसे आप ड्राई स्टीम को कूल करोगे, कूल करने से क्या होता है? what does happen on, what do you do in cooling? You are withdrawing heat. If you are withdrawing heat, then kinetic energy is coming down, and the space which was far apart, that also comes down, क्योंकि सब बच्चे सब अंदर घर में आना शुरू हो गए ना, आपने बच्चों को और लिबर्टी नहीं दिया, तो बच्चे घर में आना शुरू हुए। So at D what will happen? At D the first liquid will be seen. Now we are talking reverse. At D the first liquid will be seen, whereas it will be more gas. Further cooling means what? Withdrawing heat. What heat will you withdraw? Latent heat of vaporization. जो दिया था वही, जो घड़ी आपको अच्छे रिजल्ट करने के लिए दिया था, वही पापा वही घड़ी आपसे छीन लेंगे, तो आपका क्या होगा? वापस आना शुरू। एट सी आते आते क्या हो जाएगा? 100% लिक्विड। ठीक है? So that process will be known as condensation. So condensation is also a constant temperature process. In that process, what do? We suck out the latent heat of vaporization. Further cooling will now reduce temperature. करते 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 कहाँ है? यहाँ है. यहाँ क्या दिखेगा? यहाँ पे first solid दिखेगा. Everything is liquid, 100% liquid. Cooling, 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 cooling. First solid, first flake of ice. But everything is liquid. And then immediately we have to suck out what? Latent heat of fusion. और ठंडा करते जाएंगे. Liquids are changing over to what? Solid, 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 and at A आते आते it will become 100% solid. समझ गए? ये प्रोसेस को क्या बोलेंगे? Freezing. Therefore, if somebody asks you what is the melting point of ice? 0 degree. What is the freezing point of ice? नहीं बोलते हैं. The freezing point of water. Melting point of ice, freezing point of water, boiling point of water, condensation point of steam. हालांकि टेम्परेचर एक ही है. क्या समझ में आ गया आपको? So we studied all these things under the heading what? Our heading was change in temperature. How does change in temperature cause what we call as change of state? So we saw it detailed in the manner of melting as well as in the manner of vaporization. If you understand this curve, your life becomes easy. So should heat be supplied from 0 till D? Yes. Heat will show its impact only on 0A, BC and D and beyond. बीच में कहां चला गया? सर बिस्तर के नीचे छुप गया. नाम क्या है? लेटेंट हीट. और उसका रोल क्या रहता है? जब भी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आता है ना, वो आ जाता है. बाकी जब आपका एक ही फेज में रहता है स्टेट, वो नहीं रहेगा. And what does latent heat do? Very chalu. Instead of increasing Ke, he increases intermolecular space. Can I consider this topic understood? Very good. Can I go to the next one? Change of pressure. Okay. So let's see what happens when you change pressure now. When you change in pressure. Okay. चेंज इन प्रेशर समझने से पहले समझते हैं प्रेशर होता क्या है. व्हाट इज प्रेशर? प्रेशर इज फोर्स पर यूनिट एरिया. कैसा? ओके, प्रेशर इज समथिंग लाइक दिस. ग्रेड 8 में हमने पढ़ा था. ग्रेड 8 we had studied. Let this be a cube and let this cube be acted upon by a perpendicular force. And perpendicular forces were called what? Thrust. है ना? प्रेशर याद आ रहा है? इसको हम कहते थे force, and this was our surface area. This is the surface area on which the force is acting. Which surface area? Sir, this top surface area. And let us say that the surface area of this part is A, and this is the force. So pressure is given by force upon area. Have you understood? Now we are talking in terms of gases. पढ़ लेना. We are talking in terms of gases. वो है dispenser. ले लो पानी पीना ही है. We're talking in terms of gases. So what do gases have? Gases have gas molecules inside them. जरा common sense लगाओ, आपको story समझ में आ जाएगा. Gases have got gas molecules inside them. So let's make some gas molecules. Gas molecule, gas molecule, gas molecule. ठीक है? These molecules have some spaces between them. Do you agree? Right. Now suppose you increase pressure. Increase pressure मतलब क्या होगा? ऊपर से force बढ़ा दिया आपने. What happens to the space between the molecules? Decreases. अब याद करो, सबसे ज्यादा स्पेस किसमें है? गैस. उसके बाद कौन सा स्टेज आ जाता है? लिक्विड. उसके बाद सॉलिड. तो अगर मैं किसी गैस का प्रेशर बढ़ा दूं, then am I not going towards lesser space? So my analogy is something like this. मैं एक गैस हूं. I'm a gas, right? I'm a gas, smiley, and I have got some intermolecular space. Agreed? What I do, I increase the pressure. What happens to this? Decreases. Is it not a condition which is slowly favoring me to go towards liquid? है ना? क्योंकि लिक्विड में स्पेस और कम रहता है. So what I do, I increase it further, it further reduces, right? और मुझे कहां पे आना है? मुझे आना है लिक्विड में, और लिक्विड में इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस कैसा है? वेरी लेस एज कंपेयर टू गैस। अभी लेकिन हुआ नहीं है। my eyes just lit up कि मैंने जब भी प्रेशर बढ़ाया, स्पेसेस आर रिड्यूसिंग, सो आई एम कमिंग टुवर्ड्स लिक्विड, आई हैव स्टिल नॉट कम, और थोड़ा प्रेशर बढ़ा दिया, थोड़ा और प्रेशर बढ़ा दिया, देन आई सी ये फर्दर आ गया, अभी भी लिक्विड नहीं बन रहा है, पास बहुत आ गया। मेरे पास एक और वेरिएबल है, टेम्परेचर। what are you doing? You are actually, ये टिपिकली अभी इंडिया जो कर रहा है ना, इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी भी बैन, वीजा भी बैन, एक साथ। एक तरफ आप बच्चे को पीटो, डिसिप्लिन करना है ना उसको, प्लस उसके जितने आपने खिलौने उलौने दिए थे सब बंद कर दीजिए। सो अभी आप सिर्फ पीट रहे हो, अभी भी वो डिसिप्लिन नहीं हो रहा है। इसके साथ आप क्या करो, दूसरा गेम खेलो, टेम्परेचर को डाउन करना शुरू करो। जैसे ही आप टेम्परेचर डाउन करोगे तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या हो जाएगा? नीचे आ जाएगा। Why were these molecules still not coming near? Because one or two शैतान molecules were there, although they were facing pressure. थोड़ा घूम के आते हैं ना, थोड़ा घूम के आते हैं, एनर्जी तो अभी भी है ना, you are pressurizing it, but the kinetic molecule is still a little bit indisciplined. Now you are also stopping his video gaming. 2-3 थप्पड़ भी मारा, वीडियो गेम भी छीन लिया, अब इसका काइनेटिक एनर्जी डाउन, अब इसके पास और कोई रास्ता नहीं, वैसे चुपके से चला जाता है। कहां चला गया? As we bring down the temperature, then slowly we will find that a gas has been converted to liquid. And this is what is there in your LPG cylinder. क्या है इसका फुल फॉर्म? Liquefied petroleum gas. So inside the cylinder we don't have gas. What do we have? Liquid है, वो रेड सिलेंडर के अंदर लिक्विड है, but it is highly pressurized. And in the LPG plant, it did not become liquid straight away. So what do? We reduce pressure and we also cool it. अच्छा, pressure itself reduction करने से भी cool होगा। आपको एक example देता हूं। एक बलून को blow कीजिए इतना बड़ा। There is lot of pressure inside the balloon. Do you agree? Now take the balloon, don't tie it, and deflate the balloon completely by feeling the air on your hand. आपको वो हवा ठंडा लगेगा हमेशा। Whenever pressure falls, temperature will always reduce. Have you seen the afternoons nowadays where it suddenly becomes very sultry, no rain or anything, because the pressure has gone up like anything. Pressure जब fall करेगा ना, बारिश आना शुरू होता है, cooling आना शुरू होता है. So is this clear? What is the effect of pressure? The effect of pressure, we say, if pressure is reduced, understood, and simultaneously temperature is lowered, इसको हम जूल थॉमसन इफेक्ट बोलते हैं। अगर आप मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ोगे, सारा एलपीजी वगैरह सब इसी पे काम कर रहा है। हाउ इज लिक्विड नाइट्रोजन मेड? सो वी विल कंप्रेस एयर एंड वी विल रिड्यूस द टेम्परेचर। पूरा एयर का कंपोनेंट्स लिक्विफाई हो जाता है, वही तो लिक्विड नाइट्रोजन है। आपने वो देखा है गैस लाइटर्स, द सिगरेट गैस लाइटर्स व्हिच हैव गॉट लिक्विड गैस इनसाइड इट, यू कैन सी द लिक्विड, दोस लिक्विड्स आर व्हाट? Highly pressurized. Even your perfumes or your deo sprays, they are also liquefied. जैसे ही आप प्रेशर छोड़ देते हो, ठंडा रहता है हमेशा, it immediately comes out and it becomes vapor. ठीक है? So if pressure is reduced and temperature is lowered, gas converts directly to liquid. And in fact, an example of this will also be every gas may not go to liquid. There are some gases which will bypass this liquid. अब देखो ना, how many of you have got brothers and younger brothers at home? Sometimes when your parents start scolding you, आप देखना younger brother या sister बहुत बदमाश होता है। जैसे आपको गाली गलौज पड़ता है ना, वो चुपचाप जाके बुक लेके बैठ जाता है पढ़ने के लिए। Have you observed that? So we say when the elder को एक थप्पड़ गिरा ना, younger वाला पढ़ना शुरू, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We say that when you hard set the elder one, the younger is Bluetooth reset. Did you understand? छोटा वाला Bluetooth में reset हो गया, उसको छूने की जरूरत नहीं। So there are some gases who will bypass this stage. But that example is CO2. So in CO2, if we reduce pressure, right, and also reduce temperature, we will see CO2 does not come to liquid. ये directly क्या बन जाता है? Dry ice. And this is sublimation. कुछ बच्चे शरारती से कम शरारती बनते हैं, कुछ बच्चे शरारती से डायरेक्टली ओबीडियंट बन जाते हैं. It all depends. गालों में कितना गिरा और कितने हंस क्यों रहे हो? पूरा अपने पे लग रहा है ना फीलिंग एकदम. ये फीलिंग इट कहीं मेरे बारे में तो नहीं बोल रहा है. ये पूरा डिपेंड करता है आपको कितना गिरता है एंड हाउ मच ऑफ योर फैसिलिटीज योर पेरेंट्स आर withdrawing from you. Got it? So is it clear? Effect of heat and effect of temperature, whatever you want to write down. Our last topic is that of evaporation, and with that we will conclude this chapter. Once we conclude this chapter, I will send you a chapter note summary, but my request will always be make your own notes how to study. As I told you, go take the NCERT book, pick the topics from there into your Lakshmi Singh, study from Lakshmi Singh, make your own notes, use the summary notes, and a worksheet of this chapter will also be sent. And you all are grade 9 guys. Don't tell me, sir, is it to be submitted? Will you check? Everything is conscience. पढ़ना है तो आप खुद उसको करेंगे. And you may have a doubt, please ask me. I'm not going to stand here. इतना टाइम ही नहीं है मेरे पास. Hey, did you do the worksheet? You have done it. किया तो फायदा, नहीं किया है ना. अभी सोच रहा है मेरी तरफ देख के क्यों बोलते रहते हो सर ये बातें. क्लियर है? मिटाए? अच्छा. Anyone has doubt? Hana? All okay? Very good. So if they ask you how can reduction of, so you will get a lot of assertion and reasoning questions रहते हैं. If you get how can pressure change state from gas to solid, this is the example. CO2 is a gas. CO2 is a gas on whom if you apply pressure, reduce pressure नहीं, मैं तो गलत लिख दिया. Increase pressure, उल्टा लिख दिया. Increase pressure ना, increase pressure, and if pressure is reduced नहीं, if pressure is increased, you have to increase pressure. If pressure is increased and temperature is lowered, you have to increase the pressure and lower down the temperature. Then intermolecular space decreases and slowly change of state is observed. Yes sir. कंप्रेस करने का मतलब हमेशा प्रेशर बढ़ाना. आप सो जाओ और मैं आपके पेट के ऊपर बैठ जाऊं तो क्या हो जाएगा, आप छोटे बन जाओगे ना, तो आप कंप्रेस हो गए, तो चिल्लाना भी बढ़ेगा ना, तो प्रेशर बढ़ गया आपके ऊपर. समझ में आया? हाँ बिल्कुल. एग्जाम्पल हमेशा क्लियर होना चाहिए. और जब हम कंप्रेस करते हैं वॉल्यूम रिड्यूस होता है. Nowadays people who go for overseas travel वगैरह ज्यादा कपड़े ले जाते हैं, so you get all those packets, you can put your clothes in packets and put that pump, वैक्यूम करते ही चाक करके सब छोटा हो गया. तो आपने क्या किया, वॉल्यूम छोटा कर दिया, एयर को सक आउट कर दिया. ठीक है ना. चले आगे. Our next topic is evaporation. ठीक है. Our next topic is evaporation. What is evaporation? अब यहां पे फिर आ जाता है Peppa Pig. Monty Puddle, you see that puddle of water after it rains or drizzles. जैसे बारिश हो रही है, बहुत बारिश हुआ, तो ये आपका रोड है ना, ऐसा रोड है. रोड में आपको एक वाटर का पडल दिखाई देता है. ठीक है, समझ में आया? दोपहर होते होते ये गायब हो जाता है, इसे हम इवेपोरेशन कहते हैं. तो ये तो बच्चों का डेफिनेशन था. इवेपोरेशन चिल्ड्रन इज ऑलवेज अ सरफेस फिनोमिनन. सरफेस फिनोमिनन, because we should have our difference between evaporation and boiling. In boiling also we find that liquid changes to gas. In evaporation also liquid changes to gas. है ना. ये वाटर सब कहां गया, थोड़ी देर बाद सूरज निकला, सनरेज इसमें आया, और ये सब इवेपोरेट हो गया। डू यू एग्री? अब सुनो थोड़ा सा, इवेपोरेशन इज अ सरफेस, दोनों के डिफरेंस आप लोग ये सब पूछते हैं ना, मजा नहीं आता। देखो ये भी बॉइलिंग इज आल्सो लिक्विड टू गैस, दिस इज फर्क क्या है दोनों में? बॉइलिंग हैपेंस एट अ पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर, अच्छा वाटर बॉयल होने के लिए टेम्परेचर कितना चाहिए? 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, दिस इज फॉर वाटर। आप कहना चाहते हो रास्ते में जहां पानी जमा था उसका टेम्परेचर क्या 100 डिग्री था? पानी नहीं, यू कैन से दिस इज इम्प्योर वाटर सर, सम काउ मस्ट हैव पिस्ड ऑन इट, सो इट शुड बी सम वाटर एंड इम्प्योर, at least that means 110 100, you mean to say this was 110? then nobody would be walking and putting, यही सब तो साइंस में पूछना चाहिए सर। if boiling में if it is going from liquid to gas it goes at what? 100 डिग्री। सर रास्ते का पानी थोड़ी 100 डिग्री हुआ था, लेकिन सूख गया ना। अच्छा, तो इसका मतलब क्या है? when you actually heat water, आप जब वाटर को हीट करते हैं then what happens? convection current setup होता है। पहले यहां पे what will happen? there will be heating of these water molecules, once they get heated they become lighter and they go up, यहां पे चले जाएंगे, और heavier वाले नीचे आएंगे, फिर ये ऊपर जाएंगे, ऐसे करके करंट सेटअप होता है। इसको हम कहते हैं कन्वेक्शन करंट। Why are ventilators given on top? So that hot air from the house goes out through the ventilator and cold air which is heavy comes through the window. इसी को कन्वेक्शन कहते हैं। Boiling is a constant temperature process. जब boil होगा ना, the temperature here will also be 100, here will also be 100, here will. Evaporation is a surface phenomenon. मतलब there is a surface of water where there are some very unruly molecules who have enough kinetic energy that if they are able to absorb any external heat, what is that external heat? Let's say sunlight, बारिश के बाद sunlight हुआ है, थोड़ा सा heat अगर वो absorb कर लेना, so he gains sufficient kinetic energy to just change his state from liquid to gas. That does not mean कि नीचे वाले जो molecules हैं उनके पास भी उतना kinetic energy है। That's why the entire lake does not evaporate. A fraction of the lake might evaporate. Are you getting it? Evaporation is a surface phenomenon. और evaporation होने के लिए अगर बहुत ज्यादा पानी गिरा रहेगा ना, शाम को स्कूल से आते वक्त भी पानी रहेगा। But if you take one glass of water and you sprinkle it on the road now, the temperature that is, in maybe another 1 or 2 minutes, the entire wetness will go away. That is called evaporation, because the molecules are just at the brink. हमें थोड़ा दे दो हम चले जाएंगे। Is there a change of state in this case? In evaporation? Yes. That means latent heat तो यहां भी आ जाएगा, इससे आप भाग ही नहीं सकते हो। So some people, these are 1 mark question. Is latent heat involved in evaporation? Madam, evaporation is a change of state. Latent heat will be involved. बिना latent heat के आप state change कर ही नहीं सकते हो। So that means whatever sunlight they must have absorbed, that heat was the latent heat. Latent heat is that last heat that I need to change my state. Have you understood? A boiling is not a surface phenomenon. Boiling of water will every day happen what? At 100 degree, as long as it is pure water. Whereas evaporation of water need not happen every day at 100. बाहर का टेम्परेचर कितना है? 36, बस इवेपोरेट हो गया। कहां पे? जब यहां से इवेपोरेट हो रहा है, किसका टेम्परेचर? वाटर। हाँ बढ़ेगा ना, हीट एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है, पर जब लिक्विड से गैस जा रहा है ना, उस वक्त हीट नहीं बढ़ेगा, टेम्परेचर नहीं बढ़ेगा, बस वो हीट तो लेटेंट हीट हो जाता है। लेटेंट हीट का एक ही काम है, मैं आता हूं पर प्रकोप नहीं दिखाता हूं। टेम्परेचर नहीं दिखेगा, मैं सिर्फ इंसान का परिवर्तन करता हूं। आप लिक्विड हो, गैस बना दूंगा आपको। लेटेंट हीट इज लाइक दैट। नाउ क्वेश्चन कम्स, आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल। If the water was stagnant, a lot of water, like the road outside our Pebble City right now, if the water accumulates in front of Tip School, do you think it will evaporate? वो evaporate नहीं होगा, तो बहुत सारा पानी है। तो evaporation किन factors पे depend करता है? Number 1, factors on which इवेपोरेशन डिपेंड्स। देखो आप अपने आप मुंह से बोलते जाओगे। नंबर 1, ऑल ऑफ यू आफ्टर कमिंग आउट ऑफ बाथ विल हैव योर, जैसे कपड़ा उपड़ा सब पहन लिए, आपका गीला वाला टॉवल रहेगा ना, यू विल डेफिनेटली 100% कीप इट ऑन द बेड, और फिर आपको आपके मम्मी का एक फटका मिलता है। देखो बोलते ही हंसना शुरू कर दिए। ऑल ऑफ यू डू दैट। गो एंड पुट दैट टॉवल इन द चेयर इन द बालकनी आउटसाइड। वहां पे भी जाके तुम ऐसे थप्पू करके रख दोगे। हमें कैसे करते हैं? फैला के रखते हैं। सो इवेपोरेशन इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू सरफेस एरिया। जितना फैला दोगे। अच्छा, बाथरूम में हैव यू यूज द वाइपर? नहाने के बाद ऐसा डक की तरह थोड़ी आ जाते हो नहा के क्वैक 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 करके। जितना पानी आता है फिर उस वाइपर से हम ऐसे वाइप करते हैं ना। व्हाट डज द वाइपर डू? द वाइपर इज स्प्रेडिंग द वाटर इनटू अ वेरी थिन फिल्म। जितना फैलाओगे उतना इवेपोरेशन फास्टर होगा। मॉपिंग भी वैसा ही है। जैसे आप बेस्ट इज योर टॉवल, टॉवल को ऐसे लड्डू बना के रखोगे, सारा जिंदगी में वो कभी सूखेगा नहीं, लेकिन टॉवल को ऐसे खोल के बिछा दोगे तो सूख जाएगा। क्लियर? वेरी गुड। इवेपोरेशन इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू राइज इन टेम्परेचर। दोपहर को ना हम आजकल हमारे कपड़े देते हैं 1 घंटे में ही सूख जाता है क्योंकि टेम्परेचर बढ़ा हुआ है। अच्छा, थर्ड, evaporation is inversely proportional to humidity. How many of you have gone to Chennai, Vizag, these places? If you go to Vizag, then you will find during the whole day it's so hot, but still the towel does not dry. Why? The atmosphere contains a lot of water vapor. What is humidity? Humidity means water vapor. In Chennai, you know the temperature, Delhi temperature will go up to 40, 42. Chennai temperature will go only up to 36, 34. But that 34 will be unbearable because the humidity has shot up. Man is not comfortable by low temperature. If you have that doubt, please take it out. We are comfortable by low humidity. You can make the temperature 22 and you lower down the humidity, you will feel like you are playing cricket in England. The weather is so beautiful. आपका रूम ठंडा करके अगर मैं थोड़ी देर बाद जाके वो कॉफी मशीन का स्टीम छोड़ता रहूंगा ना, आपको पूरा अशांति हो। मैन इज नॉट कंफर्टेबल बाय ह्यूमिडिटी। मैन इज कंफर्टेबल व्हेन द ह्यूमिडिटी कम्स डाउन, नॉट टेम्परेचर। वी डोंट वांट टेम्परेचर। ह्यूमिडिटी शुड बी लो। ह्यूमिडिटी जैसे देखो अभी ह्यूमिडिटी ज्यादा है ना, पूरा फेस देखो कैसा हो गया। रबर स्टैंप लेके चिपका दोगे, चिपक जाएगा। ठीक है? सरफेस एरिया, टेम्परेचर, एंड द फोर्थ वन, अरे यार उनके घर में इतना हवा चलता है, गीला कपड़ा पहना रहो सूख जाता है। Evaporation is directly proportional to wind. The more it is windy, the faster it will evaporate. Now some questions. Some questions are, जैसे have you seen this? गांव का सिस्टम है, मटके का पानी। मटके में क्या रहता है बेटा? पोर्स रहता है ना। इस मटके में पानी को ठंडा रखने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? वी विल टेक अ गनी, ऐसे गनी का एक क्लॉथ इसमें रैप कर देगा, एंड द गनी क्लॉथ विल बी डन व्हाट? इट विल बी वेट करेंगे। गीला कपड़ा इस मटके में लगा देंगे। समझ में आया? गीला कपड़ा। इज द गीला कपड़ा स्प्रेड? यस, इट इज स्प्रेड। इज इट गीला? यस, इट इज गीला। So the water now needs little bit of temperature rise and it can dry up. तो water को heat चाहिए, वो heat कहां से absorb करेगा? The गीला कपड़ा water. I'm saying the गीला कपड़ा water. The गीला कपड़ा now needs heat. It will take heat from where? From the surrounding. One of the surrounding is the water itself inside. अंदर के पानी का heat ले लेगा, and the कपड़ा will dry down. तो अंदर के पानी का heat ले लिया तो पानी का temperature डाउन हो गया, and that's how it is cooling. We have coolers in our house. I'm not saying AC. Have you seen in cooler there will be a fan and there will be a water pump. The water pump will keep on wetting the thatch. Thatch गीला हो गया, and the thatch को थोड़ी देर पंप बंद करोगे ना, thatch will become dry. The thatch is now will dry up. It will dry up by pulling heat from where? From your room. Room के heat को वो pull करेगा, या फिर पानी के हीट को पुल करेगा। अंदर पानी है ना, पानी का हीट पुल करता रहता है, और उसी पानी को फैन फिर एटोमाइज वे में स्प्रे कर रहा है। देयरफॉर वाटर कूलर्स विल बी सीन इन राजस्थान, दिल्ली, I think now in Hyderabad also water coolers don't work because it is humidity. But you will never see water cooler in Chennai and Vizag. Why? Bombay, no, because the humidity is high. उसमें वाटर कूलर चलाओगे तो और खराब लगेगा आपको. वाटर कूलर ड्राई एरियाज पे चलते हैं. Okay, why do we wear cotton clothes? Why not the synthetic one in summer? Our body sweats, so there is a wet condition inside our body. If you are wearing cotton cloth, the cotton cloth will become wet. अब मेरे अंदर स्किन का जो स्वेट है वो इस क्लॉथ में लगता है, ये कॉटन है, तो ये साथ साथ ये भी गीला हो गया. गीला होते ही क्या हो जाएगा? It absorbs, cotton absorbs very good. It absorbs my entire sweat. And then it pulls up heat from outside. And the cotton cloth dries away also very quickly. So it is becoming dry. By that time I am again sweating. It is again absorbing my sweat. Again drying. I feel much more comfortable. Point समझ में आया? So, have you understood what is evaporation? Evaporation is a surface phenomenon. Boiling is a phenomenon which happens throughout the liquid. Boiling happens at a particular temperature. Evaporation can happen at any temperature. Here, the most important thing is, if there are some children who are going to jump the boundary, just give them that much heat. That heat depends upon different temperature. आज इतना temperature में I will change over. So only the surface molecules escape. But make sure when they escape, they do take latent heat. Without latent heat, evaporation cannot happen. Without latent heat, boiling also cannot happen. And what are the factors on which evaporation depends? Evaporation depends on surface area, temperature. This, so you know all this. So if I try to now revise this chapter and tell you what are important things, number one, कुछ चीजें जो आपको इस चैप्टर में जानना चाहिए, जिसके ऊपर क्वेश्चंस 100% होते हैं. Number one is diffusion. These definitions you should know. Brownian motion. Properties of particles of matter. क्या क्या था याद है? Particles of matter are very tiny. They have space between them. They are always in motion and they attract each other. ठीक है, ये एक चीज आएगा ही आपको. Then number 4, rigid versus fluid. ऐसे एक 1 मार्क पूछ सकता है. Number 5, difference across states of matter. Whatever I am writing, yeah, if these appear Hebrew and Latin to you, that means there is some ghapla in you. Number 6, sublimation के बारे में पूछ सकता है आपको. Then melting के बारे में पूछ सकता है. And then vaporization. लेटेंट हीट का एनसीईआरटी में डायरेक्ट एक ही बार मेंशन है, तो लेटेंट हीट के बारे में भी पूछ सकता है, मतलब घुमा के पूछेगा. लेटेंट हीट से कैसे सवाल आ सकते हैं? बर्न वर्सेस कंफर्ट, ये सब क्वेश्चन. कौन आपको ज्यादा कंफर्ट देगा? बर्न्स मीन स्टीम. यहाँ पे स्टीम वर्सेस हॉट वाटर, और यहां पे पूछेगा आइस वर्सेस कोल्ड वाटर. ऐसे सवाल आ सकते हैं. लेटेंट हीट हो गया. लेटेंट हीट के बाद इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्प एंड प्रेशर, ये पूछ सकता है आपको. प्रेशर में हमेशा याद रखिए 2 काम करना पड़ता है, इंक्रीज एंड टेम्प डाउन करना पड़ता है. यहाँ आपको एक और एग्जांपल आ गया ड्राई आइस का, ठीक है ना. देन नंबर 10, ऑब्वियसली इवेपोरेशन एंड फैक्टर्स. Okay, this is what obviously you will get them. Now, since you have spent some time in grade 9 and another 2 minutes, how you should study, this is your NCERT book. This is the NCERT book. Suppose this book has a topic called particles of matter. Because the Lakshmi Singh book will have more content. ये लखमीर सिंह, मंजीत कौर, इसमें क्या करो, यहां से जो भी टॉपिक है उन टॉपिक्स को टिक करो, पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर, डिफ्यूजन, दिस, और पढ़ो यहां से in a way that whatever is bold here becomes your short notes. Definition इस बुक से अच्छा कोई नहीं दे सकता है. Then how to take this book? After the first section, you will get MCQ, VSA, very short answer, essay, then long answer, and you will also get HOTS, higher order thinking skill. MCQs always attempt, VSA, LA, ये सब तो देखना चाहिए आपको सभी. Plus, you should also, I will also see competency based questions, which is very important in your new format, and assertion reasoning questions. ठीक है, अब तक ये नहीं होगा भैया, नदी में डूब जाएगा आपका. घर में जाके अगर मेरा चेहरा अच्छा नहीं लगता है फिर भी देख लीजिए, वीडियो को एक बार देखिएगा, इसको पढ़िएगा. Now since this chapter is over, I will give you a worksheet. I will not follow whether you have done or not. You understand what you have to do. चाहे तो इसमें भेलपुरी बना के खाइएगा या फिर इस वर्कशीट को वर्कआउट कीजिएगा. मैथ्स में मैंने एक कुमार स्वामी बुकलेट भी दिया है, आप चाहो तो वहां से भी प्रॉब्लम कर सकते हो. आप बोलोगे सर कितने जगह से करूं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं, एक ही जगह से करो, कोई बात नहीं. आप आर.डी. शर्मा के, आर.एस. अग्रवाल से कर सकते हो, आर.डी. शर्मा करो. Don't do those 4 problems of NCERT and wag your tail thinking that I am done. You are not done. You will be shattered if you do in that manner. Is that correct? Any questions on the study methodology or anything others? Acha.